Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your account is ready and your device is charged. Then open the Honor AI app or web portal. Enter credentials and complete 2FA if prompted so sessions stay secure. Once signed in, pick a clear objective, write an email, summarize a document, plan a task, or ask a question, because specifying the goal guides responses. Start with a concise prompt and include any files or links. This first actionable step gets the assistant useful context immediately and reduces back and forth. Now you move into crafting prompts that produce reliable outputs. Describe the role and task succinctly, add constraints like tone or length, and supply any files or pasted text with headers so the assistant can parse them. Once you receive a response, iterate. Request edits, ask for bullets or a different style, and compare alternatives. Make use of numbered steps or examples to steer the model. This middle phase is about refining output quality through targeted feedback, rather than broad, vague commands. Finish by reviewing and approving the final content. Request 1 or 2 specific revisions for polish if needed, then export by copying, downloading, or sharing a link. Make sure formatting stays intact by checking headings, lists, and code blocks. If results drift or contain errors, the key troubleshooting tip is to rerun the prompt with clearer constraints and a short counterexample showing the desired versus undesired output. That quickly reorients the assistant and prevents repeated mistakes. Save prompts you like for future reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.